Zhang Jike was absent on the table tennis scene for a long time ago. Recently, he came back but just to have fun with the fans. The world champion Zhang Jike interacted with the fans at the park during March 2021. He has fun with some uncles in the park. The fans enjoy the game very much.
"省队啊，省队对国家队的啊，在晋峰比赛，好，这水平，好家伙，厉害！哦，好。
他这球打得非常好。
可以超过许昕了你。外有那别打了你。好的，好球 ，very good，very good。接着，好球，入楼，好。还没多久呢。王教练，哎呦，这什么呀？
厉害厉害厉害，好，哦。漂亮，哎。
Some players ask me, will Zhang Jike come back? I don't think Zhang Jike will come back. He has his own business now. He is very rich. He participated a lot in the TV game show because he is very famous in China.
已经来之前10分钟吧，应该打之前。哎，拐了，真太帅了，手都攥不住。
各位，现在张继科在庆丰公园打球呢，
紧张手抖。可以超过许昕了你。
外有。啊！
打省队的，这省队的，
这是外国省队的，这外国省队。